Welcome! If you're tired of constant notification sounds interrupting your Discord experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable all notification sounds on the Discord app for PC following the latest update. Let's get started and bring some peace and quiet back to your chats. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once Discord is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Now that you're in user settings, a menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the options related to your alerts and sounds. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a section called Sounds. This is where you can control all the different sound effects that Discord uses for messages, calls, and other notifications. With the latest update, Discord has made it even easier to silence everything at once. Look for the option that says, Disable all notification sounds. Toggle this option on. Once you do, Discord will instantly mute all notification sounds, so you won't hear any more pings or alerts while you're using the app. That's it. You've successfully disabled all notification sounds on Discord. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the option off again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Enjoy your quieter Discord experience.